1 teaspoon of oil at bedtime fixed what 5 doctors couldn't. 7 months ago, I lay awake at 3 in the morning staring at my ceiling for the 4th night straight. Chronic insomnia had stolen my energy, my focus, and my patience. Sleeping pills left me groggy and dependent. My joints ached constantly. Brain fog made even simple decisions exhausting. A nutrition counselor mentioned casually that she took cod liver oil before bed. I dismissed it as too simple to work. Desperation 3 weeks later made me reconsider. Most people associate fish oil with heart health or joint support. They take capsules randomly throughout the day without thinking about timing or absorption. What I discovered about nighttime consumption and the specific type of oil changed everything about how my body functioned. My first attempt felt skeptical and slightly disgusting. 1 teaspoon of lemon-flavored cod liver oil straight from the bottle at 9 in the evening. The texture was slippery and the aftertaste lingered despite the flavoring. I chased it with water and brushed my teeth immediately. That night, I slept 6 uninterrupted hours for the first time in months. Cod liver oil contains omega-3 fatty acids, specifically EPA and DHA, in highly concentrated forms. These compounds directly affect brain chemistry and inflammation pathways. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine shows that omega-3 supplementation improves sleep quality by increasing melatonin production naturally. The mechanism works through multiple pathways simultaneously. That makes up 40% of the fatty acids in your brain. Adequate the levels support neurotransmitter function, including serotonin production. Serotonin converts to melatonin in darkness, regulating your sleep-wake cycle. Consuming omega-3s before bed provides the raw materials for this natural process. Day 3 brought noticeable joint comfort. My knees had hurt walking upstairs for over 2 years. That morning, I climbed 2 flights without the usual sharp pain. The anti-inflammatory effects of omega-3s work by reducing production of inflammatory cytokines. A study in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition found that omega-3 supplementation reduced joint pain scores by 30% after 3 months. My skin transformed in ways I hadn't anticipated. Dry patches on my elbows and rough texture on my face began smoothing within 10 days. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential components of cell membranes throughout your body. Adequate intake improves skin barrier function and moisture retention. The timing before bed allows these fats to support overnight cellular repair. Cognitive clarity returned progressively. The brain fog that had plagued me for years began lifting around week 2. I could focus on complex tasks without the mental exhaustion that had limited my productivity. Research in Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience demonstrates that the supplementation improves memory, processing speed, and executive function. Mood stabilization occurred as sleep improved. Chronic sleep deprivation had created underlying anxiety and irritability I hadn't fully recognized. As my sleep normalized, my emotional baseline shifted dramatically. The connection between omega-3 status and mood regulation is well documented. Low omega-3 levels correlate with increased depression and anxiety rates. Cardiovascular benefits emerge gradually. My resting heart rate decreased by 7 beats per minute over 6 weeks. Omega-3s improve heart rate variability, a marker of cardiovascular health and stress resilience. They also reduce triglyceride levels significantly. Research in Circulation Journal confirms these cardioprotective effects. The nighttime timing proved crucial for multiple reasons. Taking oil with your last food of the day improves absorption significantly. Fat-soluble nutrients require dietary fat for optimal uptake. Evening consumption also ensures the anti-inflammatory compounds work during sleep when your body performs most cellular repair. Immune function strengthened noticeably. I typically caught every virus circulating through my workplace. After 6 weeks of nightly cod liver oil, I remained healthy while colleagues around me got sick. Omega-3s modulate immune responses, reducing excessive inflammation while supporting appropriate immune activation. Energy levels stabilized throughout each day. The afternoon crashes that had forced me to rely on caffeine simply disappeared. Stable cell membrane function from adequate omega-3s improves mitochondrial efficiency. Your cells produce energy more effectively when membranes contain proper fatty acid ratios. Exercise recovery accelerated dramatically. Muscle soreness that used to last 3 days after workouts reduced to 1 day. The anti-inflammatory effects speed removal of metabolic waste products and reduce exercise-induced muscle damage. This allowed me to train more consistently